Welcome to Lifan, Zhejiang Lifan Furniture Company founded in 1986. We're a manufacturer specialized on producing blow molding plastic products. Our company located in Changxing Industrial District with total area of
40,000
square meters and more than
400
workers. We use imported raw materials. Blow molding is a critical stage in our process. Every day, 13,000 pieces tabletops will be made by 13 blow molding machines. Currently, 4,000 injection molding sofas are produced every month. Production of 6,000 hardware foot pedals for the table and chair. We use robotic welding technology. We have advanced painting equipment line to make sure the products will not get rust within 5 years. Employees work on 6 groups assembly line at the same time every day. Daily production can assemble 5 containers. The quality control room equipped with automatic detection equipment. All kinds of products have to be tested in different ways before shipping. The area of our sample room is 320 square meters. We have 80 different kinds of samples and keep developing 10% of new products every year. In 2016, the company won the title of the National High-Tech Enterprises and Zhejiang Export Famous Brand Products. At the same time, it also has 27 patents of invention, 69 practical new patents, and 7 items of appearance patent. High-quality products, outstanding customer service is not just a target for our company. It is also a promise. We want to supply our customers with durable, special, and valuable products, benefit and help them win the market, and also help us win a reputation. We are quite welcome you join our team to create a brilliant future and get a better life.